Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm coming to you with this little adventure. This is a diamond painting kit keychain from Diamond Art Club. This is an art kit DIY, and it includes everything you need in this little package. Why did I grab this? I grabbed this because I have a niece who loves diamond painting, and she loves butterflies too. And I was like, wait a second, look, this has specialty drills in it, not just like the fairy dust and the ABs, but actual gems and special shapes. So let's dive in. I'm going to pause so you don't have to hear all the crinkling, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that we've taken the wrapper off, I want to show you the back. The back is going to show you everything that you need is included. It's going to give you a step-by-step instruction. It's going to show you that you have a lifetime warranty, you have the diamond spill insurance, and that they are resin diamonds. Of course, you've got the keychain in the front and the picture. This is called Flutter Bloom, and it's a 3.5 inch by a 2.55 inch width and length. When you open this up, it is stapled in here, nicely contained, and then it has a list of what it includes with the keychain, the diamonds, the twist applicator with wax, the tray and the lid, and the 15 resealable baggies. All right, so we're going to unstaple this. We're going to pull this apart. I love that even in these smaller kits, you're going to get everything that you need. Right, I love this keychain. Has the clear plastic that you'll be able to pull off with the poured glue on it. Isn't this going to be fun to go on your backpack, your purse, your water bottle? I have my water bottle right here. It could clip on right there. Something super fun. And it's hard plastic. It's going to be, or acrylic. It's going to be amazing. Here are all the drills. We're going to dive in there in just a minute. And then, as I said, I love that it comes with everything you need, like these stackable trays. These are the smaller trays, so you get these fun projects and you get these smaller trays. Absolutely love, because then you'll have lots of trays to work on those big projects that you have when you have tons of confetti. You've got your stopper, your lid to keep all of your drills in. You've got your multi-placer and some pink art wax. And then you've got your clear putty as well. And then this is that twist applicator that you talk about. It's already pre-filled. You twist it and your putty is going to come out here. And then if you want, you can fill the multi-placer. This is for 3 of the drills. You can fill it with the clear putty or the wax as you desire. Okay, and then this, thank you for your purchase. Now with these smaller kits, you're not going to get a sticker sheet and you're not going to get a card with it, but this is a thank you to join the Facebook group. You can get 20% off your first app purchase in here if you are a newbie to Diamond Art Club. Absolutely amazing for 20% off. Okay, so if you don't get stickers, how do you know where to place your drills? Well, right here, you're going to see there's numbers and letters, and these are going to correspond with the packaging on the drills when we go to open them. And vice versa on the back. I love that it is double-sided, so no matter which side you're on, you're going to have lots of blinging fun. So let's open this and see what we have in here. These are such cute projects. They're stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, fun picnic on the beach, or for a cold day at Christmas time. Okay, so here is the number 1. Look at these sparkles. All right. So what you're going to do then is you're going to correspond to the number 1 on your butterfly. And you're going to pour these out on your tray, and you're going to put them on that number 1. Okay? And then this is number 2. And those are going to correspond to the number 2 on your butterfly, and so on and so forth. So here's number 3. Look at that beautiful pink crystal. And then number 4 looks like it's the black solid. Number 5 is this purple. 6 is this gold yellow color. And then, oh, we've got to look at these. Okay, we're cutting these open. These are beautiful. This is the V. We've got to get our tray out. Whew. These are gorgeous. This is why I like that we have baggies, so that we can do this. Look at these. So these would go right here to make the flower. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. So that's the V. And then those are super tiny. And then we have Y. So that would go here. And here, and of course the flip side. And then you've got your X, and these are the larger circle dots, half spheres, if you want to call it, and that's the inside of the flowers. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's, and they give you much more than 6. So DAC does a good job of making sure that you have plenty. And then you go, oh, Jen, why did you open that? What are you going to do now? So what I do is I take a plastic baggie from here, and I put, if I'm going really fast, I put this in here. And I put these in here for now until I feel like getting fancy schmancy. Make sure those are all in there. So now I know they're labeled. I make sure they're sealed so that my project is still all together, because I showed you guys. So nothing is left behind. And then I can put it all back together as so, and everything is still kitted up and still all together. So if my niece does come over, or if I want to take this to her for her to do, or if I decide to do it, it's all still together and I don't have to worry about it. So that is that. So I would highly recommend go and find this Flutter Bloom, or see what other keychains they have. Check them out. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely worth grabbing yourself a small art kit DIY and go have some fun in the sun doing a diamond painting out and about. So until next time, be blessed, take care, have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.